again we'll continue with the revision. So the first chapter and second chapter, different types of software, that 2 chapters are over. Now let's start with who? Start with Manuel. We'll start with
chapter name. No?
not chapter name, the topic.
Which need to take
Python. Nothing else, it's Python. Okay. So, Emmanuel, you can start reading like before. So, while you read, study that time itself. Ashish, Akshut, Emmanuel, Dia, Gauri, everyone, Atul. Right. Yes, Emmanuel.
Python is a high-level, interpreted and general-purpose dynamic programming language that focuses on coding readability. The syntax in Python helps the program to do coding in fewer steps as compared to Java or C++. The language founded in the year 1991 by the developer Guido van Rossum, as the programming easy and fun to do.
Okay, so while I'm drawing, are you able to see the underlining?
Hmm?
Underlining, are you able to see?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
All right. Let's take the tool from here. Okay, so in this particular this page, you have to study what is Python. Okay, so if the question is asked for your examination, you have to study this. Okay, then founder. The two things. Study now. There's a man behind a Python. All right. So Emmanuel, what is Python?
Python is a high-level, interpreted and general-purpose dynamic programming language.
Hmm.
Mm.
Hmm.
It can read the coding
Hmm.
faster than Java and C++.
Okay, now you continue reading this page.
Guido van Rossum is a Dutch programmer best known as the author of the Python programming language, for which he was the benevolent
Dictator for life.
for life, until he stepped down from the position in July 2018.
So he is a man behind this invention, that is Guido van Rossum. So that person. No need to read. See? All right. Okay. Now, Dia can read.
Introduction. The Python is widely used in bigger organizations because of its multiple programming paradigms. They usually involve imperative and object-oriented functional programming. It has a comprehensive and large standard library that has automatic memory management and dynamic features.
So the main thing here, why Python is used widely? The main one point here is it is library, large standard library. That is the first main point why they use Python, and it is dynamic features, very simple to do the programs. It's not that much important for you. Then what are the different applications of Python programming language? Achyut, read.
Python is great for back-end web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Many developers have also used Python to build productive tools, games, and desktop apps. So there are plenty of resources to help you learn how to do those as well.
Okay, so these are the different applications of Python language. Okay. Gauri, what are the different applications of Python?
Python is best for productivity tools, games, backend, etc.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
will you send these notes to WhatsApp?
Okay. Yes, yes. I will send you. Then Gauri, you read this. In which language Python is written?
Ma'am, I have network issue. I cannot see the screen.
Okay. Achyut, continue reading.
What language is Python written in? Since most operating systems are written in C language, compilers or interpreters for modern high-level languages are also written in C. Python is not an exception. Its most popular or traditional implementation is called CPython and is written in C. There are other implementations like IronPython, Python running on .NET.
.NET. .NET.
Yeah,
So,
.NET.
so using C programming language, this Python is written. Okay. That is the only thing you have to know. So it should be created with some programming language, right? The present existing programming language. So it's C. Basically, it is C. So C is the language is used in to develop operating systems. Nowadays, we use Python program also in order to develop operating system, but C is also there. Then the how it is developed, the history, I have to study. The places where the origin in each and every place in Netherlands. I will send you this notes. So then I have told you how this name is originated, isn't it? How this name is originated? Because Guido van Rossum was watching a series, the Monty Python's Flying Circus. So these are the very basics of Python programming language. Dia, I think when your sister saw the picture of Python, she got scared. Oh my God, why she is seeing this Python picture. Okay. Then why companies prefer Python? So you can see nowadays in newspaper, you can see Python developers vacancies are there, more Python developer vacancies. Why it is like that? Dia, read. Dia, Dia can read. Dia, you can read.
Python has topped the charts in the recent years over the other programming languages like C, C++, and Java, and is widely used by the programmers. The language has undergone a drastic change since its release 25 years ago, as many add-on features are introduced. The Python 1.0 had the module system of Module 3 and interacted with Amoeba operating system with varied functioning tools. Python 2.0 introduced in the year 2000 had features of garbage collector and Unicode.
So there's a code called Unicode. Have you heard about ASCII code? In the first unit, I have told you already, Unicode and ASCII code. So this Python uses Unicode. Unicode means it's a coding system where you can write all the languages. So you can use Chinese and Python programming language. It supports. Okay, so Unicode supports almost all the languages in the world. So it is using a Unicode system. ASCII code means it is used only for English languages. Then there is ASCII code which is used only for Indian languages, Indian standard code for information interchange. This is Unicode, universal code it is. You can, Dia, you can read the second paragraph.
The Python 1.0 had the module system of module. The software development companies prefer Python language because of its versatile features and fewer programming codes. Nearly 14% of the programmers use it on the operating systems like Unix, Linux,
Unix, Unix.
Windows, and Mac.
That's Unix. Unix, Linux, Windows, and Mac operating system. In these all operating system, 14% of the programmers are using, but after 1 year, you can see it's above 50% of programmers you can see. So all are using nowadays because of its fewer programming codes. That is the main thing. Okay, so features of Python. So if the question is, what are the different features of Python? We can write. What are the different features? Arjun? Arjun,
Yes, ma'am.
turn on your video and read.
The features are interactive, interpreted, modular, dynamic, object-oriented, portable, high-level, and extensible in C++ and C.
Studies now with different features. So Arjun, what are the different features?
Interactive, interpreted, modular, dynamic, object-oriented, portable, then extensible in C++,
Plus and C. That is.
C.
So these are the different features of Python. Interactive. You can interact with Python language. Interpreted means line by line compilation is possible. Emmanuel, turn on your video. Adul KK. Dynamic. You know that dynamic allocation. That is, you can write A is equal to 10. The next line, you can write A is equal to Emmanuel in double quotes. So automatically, it's dynamic. Automatically, first, it considers A as integer. The next time when it executes, it considers it as string. So that's called dynamic. Dynamic nature. Object-oriented means each and everything that you use in Python language is called an object. You are not studying it, but still, it's called as an object. That is why it's object-oriented. Portable. You can take the coding from one operating system to another. It will work, it supports, it will work in all the operating systems, whether it is Unix or a Mac or Windows, it works. That is called portable. It was a power failure. Everyone turn on your video. Okay, let's continue. So these are the different features of Python. Next, let's see what are the different which are different companies that use Python language for developing their softwares or apps, etc., etc., etc. You can just check it down. No need to read. See. The top one is who? Who is the top? Top one is so we can which is the topmost list? The topmost list is which is that? Achyut?
Ma'am, Dropbox.
Dropbox. Then
Ma'am,
Instagram.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay, right. Instagram, YouTube. So these all applications are using Python for their development. These applications. So the question is asked, you can just write the different applications or different softwares. Few examples you have to know. Instagram, Google, YouTube. That's it. It's not yet over. We have other examples or companies which use Python. IBM. The other one was applications. Here it is companies. Uber, Spotify. Few things you know already. Quora, Dropbox, NASA, which companies. See this Walt Disney feature animation. The music, right? Do you remember the music? Walt Disney, when the movie starts. Dia, do you remember the
ma'am.
music?
Yes, ma'am.
Nokia. Oh my God. And there comes your Netflix. And what else? Everything is using this Python as a part. It's not like Python, the complete Python programming language is used to develop all these. No, one of the components. Sometimes one of the major components. So this programming language you are studying. So you should be proud. So the last year they were studying C++. 2 years before only it made compulsory in your computer science syllabus, and IP both it changed to computer science. It was C++ and IP it was Java. So both the programming languages are updated with. They changed it and made it both. It is Python. Okay, for you it's pure programming in 12th standard. For IP students, it's application level programming. That is why there is the difference. Two topics, two subject names, IP and CS, computer science. And also they introduce artificial intelligence from 9th onwards this year, AI. So +1 and +2 also, there will be an AI course for the coming students. This we have seen already, not the class, I mean last year, not last year actually, this 11th itself. Ashish, Benny, you can read. After that, I will ask you. It's almost time. Sri Hari is entering now only. For physics class. Wonderful. Let me admit him. Okay, then.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
ma'am,
Yes,
it changed
here.
from 10.
Yes, it is in 11, room number 11. Thank you. Bye-bye.